Why it is important to have Saturday class? This communication is for and on behalf of Giles Montessori and School. Okay, I have got a list of subjects starting with the maths, English, Urdu, science, Islamiyat, SST and Nazra. These are the 7 mandatory subjects which is a part of a curriculum. इन subjects को पढ़ाने के लिए on average base we have got 6 hours in the school on daily basis. In 6 hours में से if we skip the periods of PE, arts and breaks, so approximately we are left with the 5 hours. In 5 hours में से अगर हम इन subjects को divide करें, so we are getting 40 minutes approximately to teach each subject. In 40 minutes में we have to train our kids के वो इन 7 subjects पे master करें, master बने. So अगर हम अपने teaching days को देखें, so we have got 160 to 170 teaching days in a year. Okay, one thing is for sure that we have got less time, few teaching days and a long list of subjects. So we have to solve the problem. So the solution of this problem is that we can increase these 160 to 170 teaching days up to or as near as to 200 teaching days. So इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to start the Saturday class. The Saturday class in which we want your cooperation कि आप अपने बच्चे को encourage करें, वो स्कूल है और स्कूल बर्डन ले आपके बच्चे को इन सब्जेक्ट में मास्टर करने के लिए. Based on these facts, I think I have conveyed my message that why Saturday class is important. We are looking forward to your cooperation. Kindly send your child for a Saturday class. It is very important for your kid to have to attend Saturday class. Thank you so much.